What is going on? Good afternoon, guys. Today we have a slightly unplanned day going on. We were just chilling on the couch watching Spider-Man, and Tyler hit us up. You will have seen his truck 2 videos ago. Sorry, I'll put the link right up there. Tyler's coming over. We went to his house to go help him the other day. I had to bring him a tool, and literally the next day his temp sensor went out. So he's on his way over here right now. We're gonna replace that, maybe get an update on his truck. I know he's got some big plans coming. I know I've got some big plans coming from my truck, from his truck. So I will catch y'all when he gets here. Okay guys, so Tyler has finally shown up. Thanks for making an appearance. And I know in my last video of Tyler's truck, I said this truck is dummy fast. And we're getting to talking. I'm not lying to him. We were getting to talking and he showed me the dyno sheet. The dyno sheet says 726 horsepower. Now, I don't know if the dyno was off. 700 horsepower in this truck. What are we doing to your truck today, Tyler?
Fixing the transmission, because things are turd.
Temp sensor, right? My truck will be up there, if not past there, at some point in my life.
Years later.
Yeah, years down the road. When I don't even live anywhere near these guys, so I can't brag about it. We're doing gun deals here? We're buying guns.
Put a foregrip and a stock and shit on it, man. It's just like an AR.
He's got his Glock. But we're gonna jump into this and we're gonna kind of show you guys what's going on with this whole temp sensor, which we have right here from Ford. The part number is BC3Z7H141 Alpha. Don't know what that means, but we're going to be putting that in the truck. So we got to drain the transmission fluid, and then we got to pull the pan, pull the gasket, pull the sensor out, put the new sensor in, refill everything, and see if it works. So I will catch y'all when we have everything drained and undone. How many men does it take to drain the transmission fluid on a 6.0?
One to watch, one to actually work.
And one to make a YouTube video. And one to make a YouTube video about it.
Oh
So,
my god, it's so right.
After we get this fluid drained, we got to take all the transmission pan bolts off the trans pan, drop the trans pan, check to make sure that there's not excessive metal shavings, and then we're going to pull the sensor, replace the sensor, put the pan back in, and call it a day. You do what now? Well, Ford says you should change this fluid every 70,000 miles. So, I don't know how well you guys can see that, but
It's not bad. It's looking good.
they're really not that bad. Those are kind of some big
60,
shavings.
70,000 miles on that thing?
I did. And everybody that follows the channel knows I did mine on the white truck, and I don't think I had changed the fluid in, I don't know, 100 and, or in, no, it's probably 80,000 miles almost. And I don't know if it had been changed before that, so.
Yeah, I'm surprised this fluid's that red. I've never changed.
We got the trans pan off. Tyler's working on getting the sensor out, and then we're gonna put the new sensor back in. But before we can do that, hold on one second. Okay, so these guys are working on getting the sensor out. So
I can't get my nail behind it.
maybe we'll get these guys a screwdriver. Here, these are like the 2 thinnest ones I got. Otherwise, you might have to try the that paint scraper. Sorry, that shadow was really bad. But we pretty much are halfway there. And they gotta put this bad Larry in there. Once that's in, we are going to bolt the pan back up, fill it up with Mercon LV, I think is what they're using now. Yeah, Mercon LV. So I have a bottle from when I did it on the white truck, if you guys remember that video. But we're gonna turn the music back on and we're gonna finish this up. I'll catch y'all then. Okay guys, so we got the old one out. Well, not we, but Tyler got the old sensor out. We got the new sensor plugged in, and we are in the midst of bolting up the trans pan. And while we were down here, apparently This man thinks his frame is cracked.
Dude, that does not look factory one bit. I bet your truck doesn't look like that.
Mine doesn't.
I don't know if you guys can see that, but Tyler thinks his frame's cracked. So we're gonna go check my truck to see if I have that same spot. Well, if you decide to sell it, give me all your Go Fast parts. So my frame has the exact same notch in it. So it's not like he's freaking out. I found it on my truck. I have that same exact notch on my truck.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, that just looks kind of weird.
But so like I said, we got the old sensor out, we got the new sensor in. They're in the middle of buttoning up the trans pan. It shouldn't be too much longer. We just got to finish putting all the bolts in, torquing them down, and then we got to fill up the truck with our Mercon LV. It's so weird seeing Phil's hands dirty for once. Well, I'll edit out the cursing that he just did because children watch this stuff.
F you.
But yeah, that's pretty much where we are right now, guys. So I'll check back in with you guys once we get everything buttoned up and we start filling up the trans fluid.
I'll tell you what, that's a lot easier putting back on than taking it off.
Well, yeah.
I should not say that.
Because you're not busting your knuckles on everything.
What?
Said you're not busting your knuckles on everything.
You got any more bolts?
I
Yeah.
got a lot more.
I thought you were going to throw them at me.
You get some bolts. And you get some bolts. Everybody here gets bolts. I'm like Oprah Winfrey over here. Do what?
One of your subscribers just sent us an iPad.
Yeah, if you guys want to sponsor the build in any way and send us tools or Go Fast parts, you know, we really won't complain. I'll be honest, we won't complain.
Or an S366 with a T4 kit.
Yeah, we need some non-VGT kits. So if you guys know anybody in the industry that can hook it up for either dummy cheap or FREE, that would be killer. Because we will use them, we will test them, we will review them, and it will be great.
I want to put your sticker on my truck.
Do what?
Give me a free turbo and I'll put their sticker on my truck.
Yeah, I'll run any kind of merchandising you guys want me to. Here's one more bolt that I found in the fluid pan.
And some extra.
That is not something you want to hear when you're putting your trans pan back together. Okay guys, so we got the trans pan back in, trans filled up, trans temp is working again. And right now, Tyler's doing something. What are you doing? Checking your exhaust clamps?
I'm tightening my rig setup here. My downpipe's rubbing.
So Tyler is fixing his exhaust so it doesn't rub on the truck anymore, but we got everything good on this thing and she runs like a dream. So that's pretty much gonna do it for this video, guys. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, turn on those bell notifications if you can, because I know some people have been having issues with it. But make sure you guys subscribe, turn on the bell notification, leave a like, and leave a big comment for me. We're going to try and get this truck back on the channel so we can do a one-take truck review on it. And potentially we might be taking some parts off of this truck, putting them on Jolene in the near future. Well, not near future, but in the future. So we'll see how all this goes.
Hey, why are you saying it like the truck's never coming back? He says.
What do you mean?
He's like,
We're trying to get this truck back on the channel like I'm never coming back.
yeah.
I don't know, man. You might not come back. You might think we're weird and not come back. Okay, so apparently we're gonna have the truck back on the channel. This truck's gonna be on the channel. You guys will get your one-take truck review and all that, and you guys get to see what 726 horsepower actually does in a 6.0. So, do what you guys do the best. I will catch y'all on the flip side.